Hello, this is Douglas Bloch. Welcome to this week's episode of my audiobook, Words That Heal, Affirmations and Meditations for Daily Living. Words That Heal combines a primer on affirmations with 52 passages or teachings, one for each week of the year. Whether you're searching for a source of inspiration or dealing with a crisis in your life, Words That Heal offers comfort, support, and understanding. I am now making each of these meditations available to you on my YouTube channel. Here is this week's meditation. When you are ready, pick a quiet, comfortable spot in your environment where there are no distractions so that you can take in the message that you hear. I hope you are uplifted by these healing words. Now let's begin.
Meditation 16. A broken heart is an open heart. There is no pain quite like that of a broken heart. The experience of loss in love wounds us like no other. In the midst of our pain, we cry out, wishing there was something to take the hurt away. But there is nothing. There is no cure for a broken heart, except for that universal healer, time. If there is no cure for a broken heart, neither is there a guaranteed way to avoid having one. The more you risk, the more people you grow to love, the more you are going to lose. And yet, whenever your heart is broken, you receive a blessing. Your broken heart becomes an open heart. When we experience sadness and grief, something unexpected emerges. When we allow ourselves to be broken, a gentle transformation takes place. In the midst of the pain, we feel a softness and vulnerability that are truly beautiful. We become more accepting and open. Judgment and criticism are replaced by a compassion for others and an acceptance of life the way it is. Think back to a time when your heart was broken. Remember what it was like to feel sadness and grief. Remember also how your heart was opened. If you did not experience this opening then, see if you can allow it to happen now. You were born to grow in love and understanding. By keeping your heart open and allowing it to experience both joy and pain, you will fulfill your highest destiny as a human being. Affirmations. 1. I open myself to love. 2. I am willing to risk myself in love. 3. My vulnerability is my strength. 4. I open myself to loving and supportive relationships. 5. A broken heart is an open heart. When my heart breaks, I become more loving. Words to consider. 'Tis better to have loved and lost than never to have loved at all. Tennyson.
This is Douglas Bloch. Thank you for watching this video. I'm happy to announce that the entire audiobook of Words That Heal is now available on audible.com. You can also find the print book or the ebook at amazon.com. If you like this video, please give it a like because that's what drives traffic to this channel. You can leave a comment in the comments section or you can email me douglasbloch@gmail.com. I also have a new personal website, douglasbloch.com, where you can find all of my offerings in the areas of healing and spirituality. If you'd like to subscribe to this channel, click on my photo. You'll be taken to the subscribe page. And if you click on that little bell to the upper right, you'll be notified every time we do a new video or new live chat. And if you want to support this channel, just click on the Patreon image and you'll be taken to my crowdfunding site. And until we meet again, I wish you the best in your mental health recovery. Thank you so much for watching.